Canada's once hot housing market is showing more signs that it's cooling off. New home building fell in March to the lowest level in 2 years. As Kristiaan reports, the decline could have a wider effect on the overall health of the Canadian economy.
When it comes to property investing, there's something different about Canada compared to its neighbour, the United States. The Canadian market was relatively unscathed by the 2007-8 financial crisis. And whilst the rest of the world saw values plunge or at least stagnate, Canadians saw theirs continue to rise. The market remained bullish. Home builders saw the opportunity to cash in and started building mercilessly. Just 18 months ago, Toronto was witnessing a building boom unrivaled across North America. It saw more high-rise construction than any other city at the time. But the rate of construction is now starting to cool as builders struggle to sell the homes they've already built. Wednesday's figures confirm what economists expected. Home construction is in decline, with around 29% fewer homes being built this April compared to a year ago.
Broadly speaking, the trend isn't much of a surprise to see a slowdown in home building. We've had quite a long period of overbuilding in Canada with a heated condo market, plenty of demand, relatively low mortgage rates.
It all points to a shrinking appetite for housing. Home prices have also started to stagnate, particularly in the condo market in cities like Toronto. Some say they have further to fall.
Look at house prices relative to household income or house prices relative to rents. Housing looks substantially overvalued. So we expect a correction at some point over the next few years, and that could have some additional sort of negative spillover effects for the broader economy.
Economists say housing has played an overly dependent role in Canada's economy, whether it's house prices bolstering gross domestic product growth or construction jobs fending off a rise in unemployment. And as analysts predict continued declines in both home building and home prices, it's likely to have negative implications for housing and consumption growth. The changes in this swollen industry will likely be felt throughout the Canadian economy. Kristiaan, CCTV, Toronto.